Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. It's our last day.
Say hi, Indy.
Hey.
Hey, poke your head out from underneath the pram there. This is our last day today. We are heading into EPCOT.
Yes.
So our hotel room is so close.
Yeah, it's like a 10-minute walk, not even 5 minutes.
So we're probably only about 5 minutes away now. We just walked outside of the hotel.
It's great. We could have a bit of a sneaky sleep in,
Yeah,
book our fast passes, and then just bolt on in.
Yeah, we had a late night, so we went to
Halloween party
last night. Bumped into a couple more of our YouTube friends.
Yeah, so fun.
Good to see.
Such a small world.
It is. But yeah, we're heading in, and we'll.
Yep. First ride is Frozen.
Frozen, so we got a fast pass for that,
yep.
Or lightning lane pass for that now.
I can't not say fast pass.
Oh no.
Not train.
So it is.
Yeah.
But
got a big day planned.
we have. So we're going to try and see the fireworks display tonight as well.
Yep.
Harmonious.
Yes, and we've got 2 meals booked as well, lunch and dinner.
Yeah.
So plenty to show.
And then here we are. We're just walking up to the bridge now, and we're nearly there.
Yeah, see the skyline is going past.
Yeah. Those pesky skyliners.
They're great when there's no lightning.
Yeah. All right, we'll see you in the park. Bye. Say bye, Indy.
Bye.
Bye. No joke. This is how close it is. We've just come over the top of the bridge, and there's the entrance to EPCOT.
Yeah, 5 minutes was an overstatement. I reckon that was like 3 or 4 minutes.
Yeah. We're there already. So there you go. There's the entrance already. It's awesome. We should have done a couple more days.
Very handy for EPCOT, that's for sure.
Yeah. But anyhow, we learn for next time. Yeah. Well, Showcase looks amazing in the morning, doesn't it? Like the water's so still. The weather so far looks amazing.
My hair is a contained ball of curls, or a planned ball of curls.
Yeah.
So far.
But it'd be awesome if it stayed like this all day. Yesterday was amazing with Magic Kingdom at night. We didn't get any rain at all, so it didn't ruin Mickey's Halloween spectacular.
Fingers crossed for the fireworks tonight.
Yeah. But Japan is one of the nicest countries in World Showcase, isn't it?
Yeah, and lots of shade too. So
heaps of shade. Yeah, just up in behind the temple here, there's heaps of seats,
lots of restaurants,
places to sit down and rest,
aircon,
and quiet as well, isn't it?
It's good.
Yeah. For the people back home, they have tip birds as well.
Oh.
And we're coming up into
US of A.
The US of the A. That is the beer with the frozen on top. Frothy?
Japanese drinks.
Yeah, I don't know if it's the frothy or not. And they've always got something on in the stadium or the.
Yeah, we missed out on
the stage.
The shade, 98 degrees the other night.
Yeah, I know.
That would have been so fun.
Oh, shade. Yes. Brilliant. And then you've got the American Pavilion.
Very impressive building.
It is.
It's pretty. And also it has the Regal Eagle Steakhouse, which is meant to a smokehouse.
Smokehouse.
Which is meant to have really good classic American food.
Yeah.
Which we have not tried, but it's on the list for future times.
Well, hopefully, depending on what happens, we may come next year or the year after. But we may need some assistance from some
grandparents, family.
So my mum's watching this.
Yeah, she's already you already committed, Nola. You're in.
Yeah, we need to come and look after these two.
Yeah.
And this one will be fine. So you just got to get over that fear of flying, and then you can
We'll have the best time.
have all this. Why wouldn't you want to get over your fear of flying when you can come and see all of this? Come on, Mum. You know you want to. We nearly there?
You know what I just realised? We started in EPCOT and we're finishing in EPCOT.
Oh, did we?
Yeah, our first day was EPCOT.
We didn't do a big day our first day, did we? Because we were up at 2 AM, weren't we? I think we were.
Yeah, it was not.
Yeah, that's right. I was doing laps of Buena Vista Lake
That's right, with the
little munchkin. So we're going to park our trolley over here. Oh, sorry, our pram. And then there's more of World Showcase. And we've just gone and walked from all the way over there. It's a fair hike to get here, but we hustled. Laura's doing really well being pregnant. And then, yeah, we're going to park our stroller in here. And then this is Norway. Huge, wait, it's 10 minutes.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we will, I think.
Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, I know you do. 'Cause for the first time in forever, you're there
For my sister's magic night, it's time to share what I can do to test the limits. Let it go, let it go.
Hold on.
When is a good time to stay and cuddle, but put me in summer and I'll be a
Happy snowman?
exactly.
We're heading to Indy's favourite ride, and it's not Frozen Ever After, is it? It's the Three
Three
Caballeros.
Caballeros, yeah. With Donald
she
Duck.
loves this one because she keeps on looking for Coco.
Yes, well it is. It's Coco themed, but it's also Donald Duck. So we've got two goodies in one.
Disney, if you see this, you need to turn this right into
Just
Coco.
Just add him in there a bit.
Yeah.
Add him in there a bit. There's
Yeah.
room.
Coco would be great.
The like
for this.
market scene. You know which scene I'm talking about.
Yes.
Put him in there.
But this is her favourite ride. And then we play the Coco music now.
Aha. Good singing. Yeah.
I'm wasted doing this, aren't I?
Yep, I know we're getting coffee first.
Say hello.
Hooray, hooray.
You gonna see Mickey today? Turn it around. Turn around and then hold that way. And then point it towards Mickey. Hold it. Hold it tight. Then we gotta go straight. Say hello, everyone.
Hooray.
Say hello. What's your name?
Easy.
And how old are you? Two. Oh, there you go. It's a bit heavy, isn't it, this one? Say hello.
Hooray.
You ready for more exciting adventures today, Indy? Indy. Ready? Wave. Oh, you did it. Good girl. Well done.
Boarding groups for Guardians of the Galaxy.
Go.
Wave.
Oh, you got Dante.
You did it.
And you got McGraw.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to see if you can get Rocket? Alright, let's get Rocket. You got Groot as well. Here, wave. Oh, you gotta wave harder. Oh, you got that one as well.
You're so magic.
That magic band is doing wonders. What about Olaf? Alright, wave away.
Hey, we were just talking about you. All good things, all good things.
Do you see
Oh, and then you got your faves over here.
Did you see Pascal, the little lizard?
Oh, we see you, Pascal. We see you. Oh, and then we got your faves over here, Indy.
Hey, hey, and Pua.
Oh no. So wave. Wave. Well, these ones, they might be hard. Oh, did you hear him?
I'm so cute.
Should we just cook him?
Shall we just cook him?
The monorail. Monorail red. There it goes. Bye bye. You're up next. Get that waving happening. You did it straight away. Good girl, well done. This one's got magical bees everywhere, and look at all the bees.
Got it all.
Yeah, we did.
Good job.
Well done, Indy. Let's go, come on. Say bye-bye, Figment.
You're gonna do that right.
There goes the red monorail, and then this is the entrance to EPCOT. How cool does the sphere look, guys? And the new water feature is really cool as well. We'll have to come back here tonight and see it all lit up. It does all different colours at night and everything else.
It's a lot prettier at night time, I think.
It is. We've seen it from the bus, we've seen it from the Skyliner.
Yeah. Oh, and you're telling me this is the rocket.
And if you can see all that, we just saw the rocket launch from Cape Canaveral as well.
Yeah.
So we'll add the photos in the vlog.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was. It was supposed to be Saturday, but they've obviously brought it forward. Yeah, and then there's the entrance to EPCOT as well. And this is Indy's favourite ride, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. How many of these have we done? I've lost count.
Any garden bed, any step,
Any
we're all on it.
Any crooked rocks?
Yeah, we've climbed it.
You've done it, haven't you?
Yeah. Oh, we're
Off
finished.
we go.
Alright.
And then she's got this in the background. But you're more interested in doing this.
Yeah.
Come on, girl.
Alright, we'll go to the bin and then we'll turn around and go back. You tap the bin, be like, yay! You did it. Woo! And then go back.
And back?
Who's this?
Is that Mickey?
Is that Mickey Mouse? Ah!
And do you want to hold them up and show
A
everyone?
big cuddles.
Say hi and give them big cuddles.
You can have two little
And
brothers. Yay!
Yeah.
Are you going to be a big sister?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
To have. Oh!
Oh no!
Just reminding us that she's top dog.
So when you're born, little ones, this is what you're going to be putting
I'm
up
sure.
with.
Meow. Hey. Do you see his nose? Boop. Do you want to give him noses? Oh, boop. Boop. Look at his little whiskers. Yes, tickle, tickle. Tickle. Is he nice and soft? Oh, soft. Aw, kisses. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
No. You smile at Daddy?
Say hi. Boop. Oh,
Did you give him a boop?
thank you. Whoa.
Did
Who do you see? Is it your face?
Kisses. Aww. Do you want to give Mickey a kiss?
Oh,
Is that Mickey's nose? Yeah. Cute. Aw, cuddles. No. So we're just here at Garden Grill in EPCOT, and we just started off with a green salad, which most of the ingredients come from downstairs with the Living with the Land ride, where they grow all their ingredients and produce, as they say. And we've also got some yummy, nice warm bread rolls, which Indy is devouring. Absolutely devouring.
and she's on Spotto Watch, and who have you seen?
See. So we get to do meet and greets with Chip, Dale, Pluto and Mickey. So
Yeah.
someone is loving life here.
You are loving it, aren't you?
Yeah.
Do you see, is it Chip or Dale?
Who's that? Is that Chip or Dale? You don't know?
Yeah. Okay, it's one of them.
I think it's Dale, I'm not sure.
Who is it? Say
Hi.
hi. Oh, big cuddles.
Oh, thank you.
Gonna give noses?
Oh, you did, see?
Oh, look at you go. And again. Whoa. Very good. Very clever.
Who's that? I'm out.
Every time.
Oh, that's Mickey.
Oh. Do you want to tell Mickey what your name is? Indy. Shake his hand.
You look at Mickey.
Looking. And then tell him how old you are. 2.
Yeah.
2. Thank you. How is it?
The strawberry cookie is really nice. It's really good. Now I'm going to tap in.
Someone's loving the cookie, aren't you, Indy?
Yeah. Is it good
Yeah?
cookie? It is nice. This is really nice.
I've had a bit already, and it's
Yeah.
it's really nice.
Just simple cream.
Oh, you gonna wave? Say hi. Ask him how many butterflies he's caught, Indy. Oh, he's got a couple in there. Can you see him? I can. Whoa. Can you get on? This is an awesome spot to see Orville Showcase. You can see everything from here, and you can even see Spaceship Earth from there as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Like, that rope over here was unlatched, and it said, you know, a private event, but there's nothing on down here, so we're able to come down and have a look. But the views are stunning.
We'll totally try to get here for pilots later.
Yeah, we should. Let's see how we go. Are you feeding the duck?
Oh, look, ducky.
There he is. So hello, Mr. Duck. Can you see him in the water?
Quack, quack.
There he is. Well, I think he likes leaves. We should give it to him. Oh, no, he doesn't like leaves. What do you want to see, Indy? What's over here? You want to go to England? Well, do you want to walk on the rocks? Right, Mum's found some good ones for you. Good garden in here as well. Beautiful, Indy. Look at the garden. No, jump onto these rocks here. Oh, look. Here, Mum's found the path. There you go. Oh, this one now? Alright, I think you can do it yourself. I think you're pretty good. You're right. Let go, Dad. You can do it.
Little box of butterflies.
You're admiring all the garden, Indy? These look really cool. These ones. The ones with the pink in them. Whoops, you nearly tripped then, miss. Yeah. This place.
Because if I let her go, she's going to roll.
Look how shrimp the prawns.
Yeah, Australia.
We'll be back there in 3 days.
You know what?
3 more days, boo. 3 more days. Oh, 2 more days, are we?
Well, it's
Well,
going to
we-
kind of feel like 2.5.
Alright, now we have volcano. Yay! You see volcano? Yay!
Can you see it? Oh, you're going to feed him a stick? Yeah. Alright, give him the stick.
Mommy.
Throw it in there. Oh, good try. Well done. Where are we? Off you go. Yeah? You got it.
One more. Yay!
All 4.
Yes! She's off. She's off. She knows her way around this building.
She does. Oh, she wants to do the sign already. There's a spare one on the other side, Indy.
Oh, you're scared, man? Oh, here you go. Oh, who's this up here? Look. It's Hector.
Welcome, amigos. I am Pachito. I am Jose Caloca. And this is... Victor. I don't know. We must find it. The concert is tonight. As we go, we sing and we samba, we shout.
And she's off.
The ofrenda?
Right. Bye-bye.
Bye, Mexico.
Indy, say bye-bye, Coco. Bye-bye. We'll see you next time. Maybe in 12 months' time. Possibly. Shorter. There you go. Whoa, you did it! Well done.
There's no there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Right, let's try Rocket. Quick, wave your arm for Rocket. Whoa, you got that one as well.
Yeah.
You're really good at this. How do you... Olaf and Pascal. Wave, keep waving.
Can you feel the breeze?
Oh. Well done. All right, you're gonna go do your 2 besties now. Yes.
Oh my God.
Well done. High five for Dad. You're the best. Oh, you got him again. How did you get him again?
You're amazing.
All right,
You're coming.
go. Wave your arm, wristband. You got it again. How do you get him? We'll have to show Dad how you do it.
You're so magic.
All right, shall we go find the next one?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. You gotta... Oh, don't pull the flower. Oh, okay, you take the flowers.
One flower. Look at this magic Indy.
And then Spaceship Earth. Have a look at that.
Pretty.
The,
The beautiful Indy.
that looks cool. We'll have to get close and have a look, Loz.
Yeah.
Come on, Indy. Do you want to go see Spaceship Earth? Yes, you do.
Pretty. You jumping in?
That looks crazy. When you think the parks look good during the day and then you get this at night, it's incredible, isn't it?
Look on the ground.
Yeah.
How pretty.
Is there something following us?
What do you mean?
Is there something following us?
Something.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a giant ball.
Oh! I was like, who?
Pregnancy brain is
No, I thought you were going to tell me it was some other person you knew.
full blown.
And then, then I thought it was going to be like Pluto or somebody.
No. It's like Indiana Jones and the ball's following Indy
Yeah.
and he's got to get out of the way.
Ah, got you.
Right,
got you.
see? Big giant ball going to
I
crush
see.
us to death.
Get it now.
Yes, okay.
Dead joke.
Welcome to our special drive-through open house. I'm Dr. Nigel Channing, Chairman of the Imagination Institute. Hello. On your tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie coochie coo, and taste. Taste my chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Out of sight? Okay. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Figment, you are not to interfere with the tour.
With FIGMENT, you can see things differently. Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination.
One spark of light can light your fancy.
All with a good time to use your imagination, so let the good times roll! Woohoo! You win 1 cent!
Upside down? Now you're talking. That's the best idea you've had all day. With just a spark of inspiration.
Imagination is just turning your thinking upside down.
Imagination, a dream can make a dream come true.
You can play? There you go. Hey, you jump on the squares, Indy. Oh, you jump on the square? Oh, she's off. You got it.
Here. Go this one. And this one.
The world is alive with music, voices calling out in search of one another. We find each other in song.
Here you go. All right, hold it up at Mum and Dad. Hold it towards us. Point it to Mum and Dad. Hi, everyone. Hi, Indy. Up towards us. Indy, no, point it. Say hi, everyone.
Say hi.
Hey.
Hey.
What are you doing? Did you just finish up at EPCOT?
Yeah?
You did, didn't you?
Did you watch the fireworks?
Yeah.
Were they good?
Yeah.
And then what happened?
Did it rain?
Rain?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And did you go and put your raincoat on?
Yeah.
I think you didn't.
Oh,
Did
you love the rain, don't you? Did you jump in some puddles?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Can you give it to Dad now?
Good recap. Good recap.
Okay, good recap. Great. Say bye, everyone. So you've got to close it out and say bye, everyone.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Here. Say
Good job.
All right, good job.
More.
More. Say bye-bye.
More.
Everyone, just finished up tonight at EPCOT, so just got home, long day, but we got Indy back to the hotel for an afternoon nap, so she slept for a couple of hours, so, which was great. And did a fair bit today. We went to Teppen Edo for dinner, and then we had the garden grill for lunch as well, so character meet and greet.
Yeah.
So we got to see
Mickey, Pluto, and Chip and Dale.
Chip and Dale.
Edie loved it.
Yeah. And then we got to see Harmonious tonight, but
But it rained. Classic Florida.
yeah.
Just for the period where the show was on.
Yeah, and it rained, and then after it stopped raining, so it was a good walk home. But
It was.
being at this hotel is amazing.
Yeah, so close.
It's so close to EPCOT. Like, it's literally no more than a 5-minute walk to get there. So yeah, look, can't fault it. So that's it for tonight, and we'll all see you tomorrow.
Yeah,
so,
our last day.
Yeah,
Oh.
our last night in the hotel.
I know.
Okay, we'll see you tomorrow.
Right,
Bye. 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 What was that?